Hello guys, my name is Alexandra and welcome to Creative 404. This is my fourth video of my surprise unboxing series. Well, it's actually the second video for the surprise unboxing series, but it's the fourth video. I'm pre-recording. I'm really happy. I have a stack of things that I got to unpack. I've become kind of a hoarder. I've kind of started this year I kind of bought, like, occasionally I'll buy like one or two every pay period, and then I'll stash them into the closet for a rainy day. Well, the rainy day is now. Not only have I lost my job this month, but my grandmother passed away. My Japanese grandmother passed away like a week later, and I'm having to move in with my father because of financial means. This is really sucky, but I'm gonna make a good thing. And by the time you see this video, I'm probably already moved. I don't know, we will see. Today is, what is today? Today is June the 3rd. I am moving on the 18th. So we will see when that happens. Oh, 1 second. Selling stuff in my house because I'm having to downsize. I have way too much, a lot of craft stuff. So I'm trying to downsize a little bit. My apartment is currently 1,300 square feet. I imagine when I move out of my dad's, I'll be moving into something that's more of the 800 square feet section. So I'm trying to downsize a lot of things. I'm going to miss having a craft room, but I figured I will turn my living room, dining room area into a craft section if I don't move in with my boyfriend. I have Billy and I have been dating for a year and a half now, and we've been talking about moving in together just for financial means and just so that we can see each other. We live on opposite sides of the city, which is about an hour and 15-minute drive. My boyfriend is the best because he makes that drive way more than I do, and he is great. He even calls me on the dot. I'm a little bit scatterbrained. I bet he has a timer that, or a alarm that lets him know when to call me, but I am really happy. I have a great boyfriend. I have great friends. I have great family. So I have everybody here to support me during these hard times. I've also been drinking a lot of coffee, so I'm a little bit hyper. This is my first cup, but this is my first cup in a long time, and I'm almost halfway through. So, surprise unboxing. The surprise is for both of us because I don't know what I'm going to box today, and I'm not putting into the thumbnail either, so y'all get to be surprised with me. What are we going to unbox? I keep staring at this girl, so we will unbox her. What are we going to unbox today? Viola, the junior high Viola. I bought her when I bought all the other ones, and I was going to do a live unboxing with her, but I never got the chance. She is my third junior high. I got the yellow girl, and I think I got the red girl. No, the orange girl. And I'm really happy about them. But Viola, purple is one of my favorite colors. I absolutely love it. Actually, purple used to be my all-time favorite color until green took the lead. But I'm very particular about the type of green I like. I like either mint green, sage green, or like a hunter's green, something like a blue green. I don't know. But purple used to be my all-time favorite color. It was really funny, especially when I was in my late teens, early 20s. I am 34 right now. I used to wear, you know, the L'Oreal eyeshadow colors that used to go with I'm brown eyes, so go with your eye color, and they picked out like eyeshadow colors that are good for brown eyes, blue eyes, green eyes, hazel eyes. They just picked out colors that go good with those eye colors. And purple used to be the highly recommended color for brown eyes. However, my eyes are a red brown, sort of like a mahogany. And purple never really looked great unless it was like a red purple, reddish purple. I know, color theory, art degree. So I'm getting her out of the box. The unfortunate thing about these girls is they don't come with a secondary outfit. I'm a little sad about that. I really wish they did come with secondary outfits, especially for the price point. They also don't come with stands. Another big thing I really hate about these girls. But I do love their petite size. I think they're just really cute for a small doll. And I love their backpacks. I think their backpacks are to die for cute. This little girl has a backpack with chains, like her straps are like chains, I think, or at least they're supposed to be like that. Hi, Danny. Danny's making his appearance. Yeah, so we have a cute little, what is it called? A quilted backpack. I really like this look. I love how all the backpacks have different looks. This is really nice. And they have little pockets. This is really cute. I like it. Yay. Yay. I know I have the camera kind of far away, but this is more of a casual unboxing. It's not really serious. I just wanted to share with you my thoughts and feelings and my cat head. Cat head. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. I'm gonna get your butt. Get out of my shop. No, here. You want this? You want the phone? Nope. I made my dog jealous because she thinks I'm giving the cat toys. No, my toy. She's right here now. Lucy. Hit tabs. I hate hit tabs. Hey. She's cute. I like the little fuzzy, what are they called? Scrunchies. I think that's cute. I adore her her little sweater. I think that's adorable. She's really cute. I think, oh, she has like a kind of, are they like penny loafers? I don't know what they're called. They're like, they're strappies, but they're cute. I love her. I thought she was a great choice. I actually kind of want all of them now that it's been a while. At first I didn't want all of them, but now I kind of do. She has a small defect on her nose, which is fine. She looks like she has a freckle on her nose. Her eyes are pretty. I like her eyes. She has gold, not gold, but she has pink, purple glitter eyeshadow. She has a very nude lip, but I don't like the painted on shiny pieces. But yeah, she's cute. I like her. I love the quality, like Rainbow High has very quality clothes. Like they are super good quality. Here. Put one strap on like I used to do when I was in school. Yeah. But that's the girl for today. I'm gonna keep this video short because I keep making long videos. But that's it for today. If you like her, tell me why you like her in the comments down below. If you bought her, let me know because I'm really curious too because she's super cool. I love purple. What is your favorite color? Anyway, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a like. Bye-bye now. Oh, and if you haven't already, subscribe. Can't say subscribe. Anyway, thanks, bye.